Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your Animal Jam membership. Okay, so all official steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started.
Method 1. Cancel Animal Jam subscription via iOS. Go to the Settings app on your device and then tap on Subscriptions. Now, navigate to your Apple ID on the device and sign in. Go to the Subscriptions button and from the available options, select Animal Jam subscription. You can now finally tap on Cancel and this will deactivate your subscription. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Animal Jam premium subscription via Android. Go to the Google Play Store you are signed into. Tap on your profile showing at the top right and you will see a number of options. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the list and then tap on Subscriptions. Tap on the Animal Jam subscription from the list and then hit Cancel Subscription. Finish the steps and the subscription will be deactivated from your device. And you are done. Method 3. Cancel a recurring membership purchased from our website animaljam.com. Log into the Parent Tools. Select the username of the player account from the drop-down. Click the Settings tab. Next to Membership, pick the drop-down and change Auto Renew to Off. Please note that the above instructions can only be followed if you have activated your parent account.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Animal Jam membership. If you have any issues you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.